In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist for Teams. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues or managing a larger project with multiple collaborators, Todoist can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to the Todoist website. Once there, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub, where all your projects and tasks come together in one organized space. It's designed to keep you on track and focused, which is essential when working as part of a team. Now, let's set up a new team. Start by locating and clicking the option to add a team. This is your first step towards creating a collaborative space within Todoist. By setting up a team, you allow members to work together seamlessly on shared projects and tasks. It's a straightforward process designed to simplify teamwork. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a team name. Choose something that clearly represents your group, whether it's the department, the project title, or a unique identifier that everyone recognizes. Naming your team appropriately ensures clarity and makes it easily identifiable, especially crucial when managing multiple teams or projects. Once you've decided on a name, click on Continue. This will advance you to the next phase of setting up your team. The platform will guide you through these steps, keeping things intuitive and hassle-free. Remember, clarity now will pay off later when you're juggling tasks and timelines. At this stage, you'll be asked to make some selections. This could involve choosing templates or specific setups that align best with your team's workflow. It's a chance to customize the experience and ensure it fits your methods and preferences. Feel free to explore the options available as they can significantly enhance your team's efficiency. After you've made your selections, proceed by clicking Create Your Team. With this, your team is officially set up, and you can begin adding content and members to your team space. By establishing a dedicated area for your team, you centralize communication and maintain a clear overview of your collective progress. One useful feature in Todoist is the ability to search for projects. This search functionality allows you to quickly locate existing projects within your dashboard. It's especially handy when you're managing multiple projects and need to access information swiftly. Now, let's move on to adding projects or templates. Click on Add, and you'll have the flexibility to incorporate a new project, browse existing templates for inspiration, or even add a folder. These features allow for greater organization and the ability to adapt Todoist to your team's specific needs. Finally, don't forget the option to invite members to join your team. By clicking Invite, you can add colleagues or collaborators, ensuring everyone is on board. Bringing the right people into your workflow is integral to the success of any team project. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to explore the capabilities of Todoist for Teams.